Welcome to my channel about cooking. Today I'll show you how to make a tasty vegetarian dish, soya stew. This recipe is great for vegetarians because it is tasty and healthy. It's enough for 3 people. Ingredients: 1 cup soya granules, 3 onions, rough 1 chopped ginger, grated 2 cloves of garlic, 1 roughly chopped, 2 to 3 green cardamoms, 1 bay leaf, 3 black cardamoms, 3 cloves, 5 to 6 black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, whole garam masala, 2 to 3 whole red chilies, 1 inch ginger, grated, 1 cup yogurt, 2 to 3 green cardamoms, 1 bay leaf, 3 black cardamoms, 3 cloves, 5 to 6 black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, whole garam masala, 2 to 3 whole red chilies, 1 inch ginger, grated, 1 cup yogurt, 2 to 3 green cardamoms, 1 bay leaf, 3 black cardamoms, 3 cloves, 5 to 6 black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, whole garam masala, 2 to 3 whole red chilies, 1 tomato, sliced, salt to taste. The soya granules should first soak in hot water for 15 to 20 minutes. Squeeze out any extra water after draining it. Heat 2 tablespoons vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat and add the whole garam masala and whole red chilies. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes or until fragrant. Add the roughly chopped onions, garlic and ginger and cook until they are translucent. Add the tomato slices and soy granules and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Add 1 cup of yogurt, stir well and cook on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes without boiling. Add salt to taste. Serve hot with rice or roti. The combination of sliced tomato and soya granules will give the stew a nice sweetness and acidity. Cooking them together for a few minutes helps to blend the flavors. Soya granules make a great meat substitute, and whole garam masala and whole red chili add flavor. Forget the junk food. Adding yogurt at the end of the cooking process will give the dish a rich, creamy texture and taste. Cooking ginger, garlic, and onions together will give the stew an even more fragrant, flavorful base. Soaking the soya granules in hot water allows them to soften quickly, making cooking easier and enhancing their flavor. This recipe serves 3. I hope you enjoy this vegetarian soya keema stew as much as I do. For more delectable and healthy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your loved ones. Please click the notification bell to never miss a recipe, as we post new content every week. Happy cooking and thanks for watching. Calories. It's hard to say precisely how many calories this recipe has because it depends on the brands and types of ingredients used as well as the size of the serving. But I can give you some estimates. Soy granules, 1 cup, dry, contain about 200 calories. Onions, 3, medium, contains about 150 calories. Garlic, 2 cloves, contains about 8 calories. Ginger, 1 inch, contains about 3 calories. Yogurt, 1 cup contains about 150 calories. Vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons, contains about 240 calories. Tomato, 1, medium, contains about 22 calories. For the whole recipe, there would be about 723 calories. Please remember that this is just an estimate and may not be correct. Also, this recipe makes enough for 3 people, so the calorie count should be divided by 3 to get the calorie count per serving. Nutrients. Soy granules have about 50 grams of protein per cup, making them a good source of protein. Also, they have a lot of fiber, iron, and zinc. Onions are a good source of vitamin C and dietary fiber, vitamin B6, and manganese. Garlic is a good source of manganese, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. It also has small amounts of other vitamins and minerals. Ginger is a good source of vitamin B6 and magnesium. It also has small amounts of many other minerals. Yogurt is a good source of calcium, vitamin B12, and phosphorus. It also has small amounts of some other vitamins and minerals. Vegetable oil is an excellent place to get healthy fats. It has essential fatty acids that are good for your health. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin C, K, and A. There are also small amounts of different vitamins and minerals in them. This recipe has a lot of protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals that are good for your health.